This video will show you how to install a ETS system in a CETI8. The parts supplied in the kit are an ETS support frame that contains 2 high-voltage splitter boxes, 8 ETS heads and collection tubes, 8 ETS inlet and outlet tubes, 8 safety keys, and 2 Genvolt high-voltage power supplies. Fit the ETS collection tubes into the ETS heads. Fit the ETS heads onto the support frame. And connect 4 ETS heads to each splitter box. Connect the safety keys into the unused sockets. Disconnect and remove the 8 CFH outlet tubes from the CETI8. Retain them for future use. Connect the 8 ETS inlet tubes to the CFH outlet ports. Check that the 25mm tubes are on the end of the ETS inlet tubes. Fit the ETS support frame into the CETI8. Reposition the wires as necessary. Connect the 25mm tubes on the end of the ETS inlet tubes to the collection tubes. If necessary, reposition the support frame so that the glass collection tubes are pushed fully into the ETS heads. If they are not fully pushed in, it could cause a leak. Connect the 8 ETS outlet tubes to the CETI8 exhaust connectors. Connect the high-voltage connector. Safety circuit connector and the earth cable from one of the splitter boxes to one of the Genvolt power supplies, and repeat for the other splitter box. Connect both Genvolt power supplies to the mains voltage supply.